Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 7.3 question number 1. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? If no digit is repeated. What is our question? 3-digit number you want to frame using the given digit as right from 1 to 9. The number should not be repeated. Should not be repeated means you should not take twice the number, right? Now 3-digit number means what is the concept? Hundreds, tens, ones. 100, tens, ones. Now the solution, number of 9 different digits, number of 9 different digits, number of 9 different digits taken how many at a time? We need 3-digit number, so taken 3 at a time. 3 at a time. What is our general formula? NPR, that is number of n things taken all at a time or some at a time, right? The r can be replaced by, what is the expansion of the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. The statement I am going to convert into the mathematical representation. How I am going to convert? You listen. Here they given us 9 digits only. So n can be replaced by 9 or can be replaced by 3 because we want to frame 3-digit numbers, right? 9p3. Using the formula you are going to expand 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial. 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Here one thing you have to write, required number of ways, like that you write, right? Required number of ways equal to, right? Number of 9 different digits taken 3 at a time, that is 9p3. Required number of ways equal to 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 factorial, that is 9 factorial by 6 factorial. Then based on the denominator you are going to expand your numerator. How to expand the numerator? I told you the factorial is nothing but product of natural numbers. So you have to write it in a reverse order. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Based on the denominator you have to expand your numerator. Now 9 8s are 72. 72 into 7 equal to 504, right? Required number of ways. How many numbers you can frame? 504, that is 504 different numbers you can formed, right? 504 different 3-digit numbers can be formed. 504 different 3-digit numbers, different 3-digit number can be formed. Right? How many numbers? 504 different 3-digit number can be formed. Now I am going to move to question number 2. How many 4-digit number? How many 4-digit number are there with no digit is repeated, right? How many 4-digit number are there? When I ask the question, immediately you people can't give the answer, right? If I ask how many numbers are there, will you say if there is a end of the number? No, it is infinite. When I ask the question how many digits are there, will you able to say? One more example I will give. how many alphabets are there in English? Will you say immediately? Yeah, yes. You can say because 26 letters. The same way, how many numbers are there in our hand? Only 10 numbers. The 10 numbers only will play a vital role and it will make a huge numbers, right? What are the 10 numbers? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10 numbers. These 10 numbers only will do a wonderful job in mathematics, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here they are expecting 4-digit number. 4-digit number means what? 1000, hundreds, tens, ones. This is our format to frame a 4-digit number. So 1000 cannot be filled by 0. Will you agree or not? 1000 cannot be filled by 0. Why I am saying 1000 cannot be filled by 0? Once if 1000 filled by 0 means it will act as a 3-digit number, right? So 1000 cannot be filled by 0. That means how many numbers are remaining? Only 9 numbers, right? Thousands place can be filled in how many ways? 9 ways, right? What you have to write it here? Excluding 0. Excluding 0. I gave the reason, right? You have to listen carefully, children. Right. Next, 100, tens, ones. That can be filled by 0 is included now, right? No digit is repeated. Once if 1 is fixed in the thousands place, the 1 should not be come under the process. The rest of the 9 numbers only. In that 9 numbers, how many numbers we want to take? Only 3. Why I said only 3? 100, tens, ones can be filled by how many ways? Right? Now you see the remaining the places, that is hundreds, tens, ones can be filled number of 9 different digits taken how many at a time? Because 100, tens, ones means 3. Taken 3 at a time. 3 at a time. Then how to represent that? I told you, number of n things taken or at a time or all at a time or some at a time means NPR. Here what is your n? 9. What is your r? 3. So 9p3. Got it, children? 9p3. How I said 9? Including 0. Here I have to write including 0. Including 0. Therefore, required number of ways equal to 9 into 9p3. 9 into 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3. That is 6 factorial, right? 9p3, NPR formula, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That formula I have to write it in the right side. NPR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That means 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial, which is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 factorial, cancel. 9 into 8 into 7, already you know the result, that is 5.0, right? 504. So, 9 into 504. You have to multiply and say what it is. 9 fours are 36, remaining 3. 9 into 0, 0, 3. So, 9 fives are 45. How many 4-digit number you can make? 4536 numbers. Got it, children? Today I am going to discuss the next question as 3. How many 3-digit even numbers? 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. No digit is repeated, right? 3-digit. So, immediately what it should come to your mind? 100, tens, ones. Which place will decide the even number? The ones place only decide the 3-digit even number. That means unit place can be filled in. Which are the numbers or even numbers here? 2, 4, 6, right? So, solution, unit place can be filled in how many ways? Because 3 things are there, 2, 4, 6, that only will tell you the number is a even number. So, can be filled in 3 ways, right? Here one more condition they said, no digit is repeated. For example, if 2 is fixed in the place, hundreds, tens, ones, 2 is fixed. That means you should not take 2 again. What is the remaining number? How many numbers are there remaining? 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. 5 numbers are there, right? The remaining places, which are the remaining places? Hundreds and tens. The remaining two places, that is 100 and tens, can be filled in remaining can be filled with remaining 5 numbers, that is 5 digits, remaining 5 digits in how many ways? 5p2. Got it, children? One's place is occupied by 2. That means the rest of the number is only 5. Because 2 you cannot select again. Why? No digit is repeated. So, once 2 is fixed in the unit place, you have to cancel. The rest of the number is 5. In that 5 only we are going to select how many? Hundreds and tens. So, 2 places can be filled in 2 ways. Now, the required number of ways equal to equal to 3 into 5p2. What is the formula? I told you NPR. Yeah, very good. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now 3 into 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 minus 2 factorial. Then how to write this? 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Based on the denominator, I expanded the numerator. Right? 3 factorial, cancel. Then what should be the rest? 3 into 5 into 4, which is equal to 60. How many numbers you can get? 60 numbers. Right? How many numbers? 60 numbers. Exercise 7.3, question number 4. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated, right? Already the number is given, the restriction is no digit is repeated. We need how many numbers? Out of 5 we need 4 numbers, right? Now number of 5 different numbers, 5 different numbers taken how many at a time? Because we need 4-digit number, taken 4 at a time, taken 4 at a time. That means what is the answer? How to write that? 5p what? 5p4. Got it, children? 5p4. Then 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 4 factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial. 1 factorial is nothing but 1. Now 5 factorial can be written as in the reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1 factorial divided by 1 factorial. So 1 factorial cancel. Then what is the answer? The required number of ways equal to how many 4-digit number we can frame using the digit if the digit is not repeated. 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. Got it? First part is over. Then come to the next position. What is that? How many of these will be even? We need a even number, right? So unit place can be filled in how many ways? How many even numbers are there? 2 and 4 are the even numbers, only 2. So it can be filled in how many ways? 2 ways. Okay. Why in the unit place, for example, 4 is fixed. That means how many remaining numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Out of 4 numbers, you are going to take how many numbers? 3 numbers, right? Remaining places, what are the places remaining? 3 places. That is 1000, 100, tens. Can be filled with remaining how many remaining numbers are there? Once 2 is fixed in the position in the unit place, 4 numbers, right? Remaining 4 digits, remaining 4 in 4p3 ways, right? See, the remaining 3 places can be filled with remaining 4 digits, in how many ways? 4p3 ways, right? Required number of ways equal to 2 into 4p3, that is 2 into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 2 into 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial. 2 into 4 factorial can be expressed as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial. divided by 1 factorial. 1 factorial, 1 factorial, cancel. Now you can multiply. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 2 equal to 48. How many even numbers we can get? 48 even numbers we can get. Exercise 7.3, question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can be chosen a chairman? Only one, right? A chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position, right? How many totally? 8 persons. In that we are going to select one person as a chairman and another one as a vice chairman, right? Solution. A chairman can be selected in selected in 8 ways. Anyone can selected, right? Next, once a person is selected, remaining how many persons are there? Only 7. In that 7 only will get a priority to select a vice chairperson, right? A vice chairman can be selected in how many ways? 7 ways. How I said 7 ways? Only 8 persons are there. In that 8, a chairperson is selected. Anyone will get a chance. So 8. One more condition is given as a person cannot hold more than one position. So a chairman can be selected in 8 ways. One person is selected as a chairperson. Remaining how many persons are there? Only 7. Out of 7 only we are going to select a vice chairperson. So that's why I wrote it can be filled in 7 ways. The required number of ways equal to 8 into 7, which is equal to 56. 8 into 7, 56. How many ways we can select a chairperson and a vice chairperson? 56, right? Once again I repeat, you may ask why you didn't express in the format, right? I can express 8p1, right? It can be written as 8p1. That means 8 factorial divided by 7 factorial. Out of 8 person you are going to select 1 person, right? 8 using the formula also we can do this. 8 factorial divided by 7 factorial, which is equal to 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. That's why I wrote 8 ways. The same way, one person has removed from the task. So remaining how many? Out of 7 we are going to select 1 person. So 7 factorial divided by 6 factorial, which is equal to 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. That's why I wrote here selected in 7 ways. Even you can write directly or you can use the formula. Both it gives you the same answer. For your verification I applied the formula and I proved it, right? Now how many ways a person can be selected? 56 ways.